How to fix can't hear people on Discord. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you can't hear people on Discord. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything. Let's get into it. First, open up Discord app. Go to the bottom left corner, then click on the gear icon to open user settings. Now scroll down to the app settings section. Here, click on voice and video. Look for the output device setting. Make sure the correct device is selected. This is usually your headphones or speakers. Then check the output volume slider and make sure it's turned up. If it's all the way down, you won't hear anything. Now close settings and join a voice channel or a call. Once you're in the call, right-click on the person you're trying to hear and check their user volume. If it's set to 0, that's why you can't hear them, just slide it up. Also check if you accidentally muted them. If so, unmute and you should be good. If you're still not hearing anyone, try talking to someone else on Discord. It could be the person you're chatting with has an issue on their end, not yours. And just to be sure, go to your computer's search bar. Type in sound mixer options. Open it. Find Discord in the list and check that it's not muted and the volume is turned up. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps worked for you. If it did, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Discord fixes. Thanks for watching.